So after a nice long travel day and you lay down on your bed and realize that it's about as comfortable as gravel, did you know that there's something that you can do about that? Well, we are going to show you right now that there is something you can do. Today we're talking about an uncomfortable topic, and that is RV bedding. Now, this is not a paid advertisement. I'm honestly blown away by how comfortable these beds are, and RVmattress.com is working with the NRVTA to give one of you lucky folks a free top-of-the-line mattress. Now, more on that at the end of the video, but don't skip ahead because you're going to miss out what you actually need to do to get this mattress for free. If you've purchased an RV or have been sleeping in an RV mattress, you know that most times they're not the most comfortable part of your RV. They are most times thin, lightweight, and in many cases almost adequate. Even upgraded models leave little to be excited about. I personally could not get comfortable on my upgraded stock mattress, and that's why I reached out to RVmattress.com to see if there was something that they could do better. Now, I didn't know that RVmattress.com is actually a Brooklyn bedding brand. And you already know Brooklyn bedding is known for top-of-the-line comfort and quality. Plus, their mattresses are made right here in the US and shipped conveniently to you for free. RVmattress.com makes mattresses that are the perfect fit for you to ensure a restful night's sleep and maximum energy on all of your adventures. They offer different firmness options, heights, dimensions, even RV-specific and non-traditional sizes to fit into your lifestyle. Plus, they are made to be comfortable in all temperatures and climates. RVmattress.com is the destination for all your RV or van bedding needs. And if you don't have an RV or van, you can still shop these comfortable mattresses in standard sizes for your home at brooklynbedding.com. RV Mattress offers bed sizes in all depths ranging from 6 to 14 inches, as well as specialty RV and van sizes that you won't find at your typical mattress store. These fits are lighter to keep the weight down and give you more flexibility for movement when, for the underbed storage. To enter in for the free RV mattress, and we're talking about the king-size Brooklyn Aurora Hybrid valued at $21.99, subscribe to NRVTA's YouTube channel and be the first to comment RVmattress.com when you see Todd and I post a Tech Tip Tuesday about RVmattress.com. We won't say when or where we're posting it. Actually, it's on YouTube, but I'll give you a hint. It won't be April Fool's Day. That's the hint. So make sure you subscribe and keep an eye out for the Tech Tip Tuesday on RVmattress.com. And you can win up to a king-size Brooklyn Aurora Hybrid valued at $21.99. I went with the 14-inch Brooklyn Aurora Hybrid, and my God, it's more comfortable than the bed I have in my house. Let me paint you a picture. It all starts off with a smooth top weave with Titan Cool technology helping maintain a cool 88 degrees. Then a 1.5-inch top layer of patented Copper Flex foam that provides responsive contouring with targeted pressure point relief and antimicrobial properties of copper. It's like getting a bed hug. Moving down, we have 2-inch layer of Titan Flex providing a cloud-like comfort before reaching the 1-inch layer of gel swirl memory foam, adding more pressure point relief. That's right, your pressure points won't know what's hitting them. Then you get to my favorite part, a layered zone of up to 1,032 individually cased Ascension coils, providing the support I need to keep from feeling like I'm sleeping in a coffin. But that's not all. At the bottom, I have a 3/4-inch base foam reinforcing those encased coils, making my sleepy time my favorite time of the day. Finally, a mattress designed to be comfortable first, but also fit in any RV. And to top it all off, it comes with a 120-day night risk-free trial and a 10-year warranty. I love my RV mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and I think you will too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out RVmattress.com. You can click the link below or go to RVmattress.com/NRVTA and get 20% off your mattress with code NRVTA right now. That's the end of this video. I mean, if you're watching this in bed thinking my bed hurts, go now. It's free shipping, 20% off. Not gonna order itself.